A 3 by 4 rectangle is inscribed in circle. What is the circumference of the circle? Okay, so we are looking for the circumference of the circle. So let us draw a circle and then we will inscribe a 3 by 4 rectangle. So 3 by 4 rectangle is inscribed in a circle. Okay, so let's draw the circle. So draw the circle and then we want to find the circumference of the circle. So let's draw a 3 by 4 rectangle that is inscribed in this circle. Okay, so let's draw a rectangle that is inscribed in a circle with dimensions 3 by 4. So let this side be 3 and then the other side is 4. So the formula for circumference of the circle, formula is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So we need to solve the radius of this circle using this rectangle 4 by 3. So this is the center of the circle. We can solve the radius by using the Pythagorean theorem. So we will connect this, the corners of this triangle or the vertex. Okay, so we now have a right triangle with sides 4 and then 3. So the diameter can be solved by using the Pythagorean theorem. So this will be the diameter. Let's write D for this hypotenuse of the right triangle. So let's solve for the diameter using the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse, that is the diameter. The formula is D squared is equal to the sum of the square of the two legs. So we have 3 squared plus the other leg, we have 4 squared. So solve for D, we have D squared is equal to 3 squared, that is equal to 3 times 3, 9, plus 4 times 4, we have 16. So D squared is equal to 9 plus 16, we have 25. To solve for D, extract the square root of both sides. So therefore, the value of D or the diameter is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. So therefore, if the diameter is 5, therefore the radius is half of the diameter. So let's divide this by 2. The radius is 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 2.5, or we can just simply write 5 over 2. Okay? 5 over 2 or 2.5. Okay, so we can use either of the two. So I will just use 5 over 2 because this will cancel out when we substitute this. Okay, so the value of r is 5 over 2. Let's substitute into this formula. So we have c is equal to 2 pi, and then the value of r is 5 over 2. If we simplify this, 2 and 2 in the denominator will cancel out. Therefore, the circumference is equal to 5 pi. So the answer is letter D, 5 pi. Follow for more.